Alright guys, today look, we got the Yozma IN-10 custom homemade shift lock tutorial, Harbor Freight edition. So, go to Harbor Freight, purchase you a $15 angle grinder, and I'm pretty sure y'all already know what goes on. You just take the handle off the angle grinder, put it on there. So my situation, I kind of already, y'all see, I'm not the one who did that, all right? But yeah, I ain't gonna talk too much on that. But basically, the sauce is you're using one of the mount locations for the motor, but don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me yet. I already know y'all like, bro, you're like messing up the motor, da 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 da. No. And I know my motor looks like horrible. This whole thing is dirty for real, but I'm still putting support where the motor needs because I compensated it with spacers and washers. As y'all can see, I'm trying to get a good little, hopefully y'all can see real good, but it's spacers, a spacer, a washer, and a bolt. And it's another bolt on the other side to secure this thread that comes off of the angle grinder. And we're replacing mine, but I'm showing y'all how it's set up. So on the other side, right, because it's a long bolt that goes through these motor mounts. So on the other side, you're gonna get a crowbar or whatever you use to take off your side cover. You're gonna pop your side cover off. Once you got your side cover popped off, as y'all can see, hopefully y'all can see real good, this bolt is sticking out. And it's real secure though. It's not moving, not damaged. Could still get to it if I need to, you know. It just sits like that because you're going to back this out so that you can put a spacer, a washer, and a bolt right there so that you can have that support, you feel me? Because you don't want to just like, yeah. So y'all know where we going with it. Pretty simple. And then on the other side, I'm gonna show y'all how the angle grinder handle goes on, you know, through the whatever. Y'all know what's going on. And this just stays like that. You put the cover back on, they look OEM. So, boom. Literally, all you need is a handle, but I got an extra angle grinder if I need it. The one that I am using is kind of getting burnt out. Get your handle out. And you'll see it's a perfect regular thread, not fine thread. So just a regular thread. The old piece out, right? Now we just gonna keep everything right there. Put the new piece right back where it need to go. Twist that back on. And then tighten it up on the other side with the hex. Tighten that back up. There we go. It's tightening on this side as this side is tightening. Just make sure everything get nice and, you know, nice and solid. Nice and solid. We got the shift lock back, man. That's how you do it. I just replaced mine, but repaired mine. But y'all got the blueprint. I done gave y'all the sauce for inexpensive shift lock. Yeah, just don't forget your spacer, your washer, and your bolt, and put it against the other bolt and spacer I believe I have right there. And now we're gonna throw the new chain on, guys. Let's throw the new chain on. Let's get the old one off. I'm gonna still save the old one because this is a good chain. You know, nothing bad happened to it. It was nice and reliable. For the time it was on it, about like, yeah, I probably only rode the bike probably like 20 miles with the stock chain. Then I switched probably less than 20 miles, and we almost have 700 miles. So, you know, it's a good chain. It's just look real dirty, sounds louder, and this is a X-ring chain. I kind of want to see what a non-sealed chain feels like. Master link disconnected. Yeah, everything just falls apart on this old thing. Dang, that's rusty. Oh, yeah, that's why the chain loud. That's why it's loud. Yeah. Off with this chain. I don't even think I'm gonna reuse this. Dang, y'all see that roller, bro? I mean, this master link, oh my God. I mean, nah, I just need a good little cleaning. That's it. The new chain, man. Got a new chain. Got a master link. Let's see how much we got cut. See how free this chain is? It was nothing free about the old chain. Just need to see how much we need. Boom. See how many links we need off. And I can say, oh yeah, I can say we can take that many links off right there. That's gonna go. That's gonna go. Boom. Put your thumb on top of the target. Put your thumb on top of the target. Find your breaker. That's what I did not have ready. Find your breaker. Get your target ready. Boom. Target lock. Get back in there. Damn. Get back in there. Boom. Go. Get strong with it. Delete. Back out. Separate. Go back. Flow through. Connect. Get your puller. Get this on Amazon for like less than $10. Come with a kit. Just look up chain puller. Connect. Connect. Boom. Connect. 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 And we lock. New chain installed, man. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's shoot. That's like the yeah, that's basically what you need, cause when that's when you sit on it and all that, it get tighter, and yeah, that's about what we need. New chain installed, shift lock installed, man. Yeah, bike ready to get beat, but hands ready to get washed. You feel me? And yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm testing it out and all that. Y'all stay tuned.